When you have started the process of becoming your own banker, you have several different loan repayment options that you can utilize. I'm going to focus on the two main ones that most people pick, which is either a traditional payback or an interest only. Now, you can literally pay these back however you want, so there's every option in between that. And so if we look at just the traditional payback, let's say you were going to borrow a $10,000 policy loan from the carrier and they are charging you 5%. If you wanted to pay that back on a traditional schedule, let's say over 3 years at 5%, and you wanted to pay back $300 a month, which would roughly be $3,600 per year. So you could do that. So each month you're paying $300 a month for 3 years, and at the end of the 3 years, you would have refilled the policy of the loan principal plus paid the interest as well. And now the policy's made whole again. You can borrow it again, use it again. Now, on the other side, a lot of people like to opt for just the interest only. Now, you don't have to pick. Whenever you borrow a policy loan, the carrier just automatically charges you an interest-only loan. So when you're ready to do this, just make sure you contact your Factum Wealth strategist so they can help you select the best option for you. And we'll run an amortization schedule for you so you know how much to be paying back into your IBC separate account, which is your bank account that you use to track policy loans and repayments, and then sending it back to the insurance company once a month. So if you opt for the interest-only option, 5% of $10,000, you would essentially need to pay $500 in interest at the end of that year, each year that you had that outstanding loan. And so this gives you a ton of flexibility when playing the money game to be able to control this loan amortization schedule. Now, it's not something you want to abuse. You need to treat your system with respect and be an honest banker. But the main point is you have the control in this system to decide. So if life happens, you might say, you know what, we're going to scale back on the traditional payback and we're only going to do the interest only because I need to keep my cash in my control to float me through this crazy time period. Or if you've got a lot of deals coming across your table, so you're constantly moving the money quickly, you might opt for just the interest only and then refill that policy principal in like 3 or 4 years. Maybe if you were using this for a real estate property and you sold it and then you refilled your bucket. The point is you have all the control, which gives you a lot of unique advantages when playing the money game.